Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue channel, and I got out a few of my Blythes. I wanted to show you them in their Valentine's Day dresses and show you what I'm working on. First I want to show you this one. This is Shelly, and she's showing off a little cloak that I made. I'll turn that around. I like it. I think it's real cute. I put it on the outside of the stand. I made one of these in December when we did a collab. J Dolls UK and I did a Christmas outfit exchange for our Blythe dolls, and I made her one of these. I just remade it, but if you're interested, you can go look at that. I wanted to show you Vicky's dress. I had this idea, don't I always say that? And I started with this dress, and I do like it. And I did Valentine's on one side, and I did Easter on the other. And you just reverse this. You do all your work before you sew them together, all your finish work like your charm and that bow and your lace, all that goes on when you work them together. But prior to that, you sew on all your buttons and charms, etc., so that the back of your thread, when you sew that, does not come out on the dress on the other side. And my problem is, what I haven't figured out is not so much how to sew them together, but how to make it flare a little more. As you can see, I worked on sizing. And while these look okay, they're not great, but I do like them. This dress has the wizard, I'll show you that, on the inside. I had that around the waist. I like the dolls that have a shape to show their shape. Okay, on this one, the lace folds both directions on the bottom and the arms. But at the neck, I sewed lace on both sides, and that's how I finished my neck. And let me turn this around so you can see what I did to the, it was supposed to be space themed, but it kind of came out wizardy, and both Darren and I liked it. So I did the same thing. I did this one first, but I did the same print on this dress, but I did it more wizardy, if that's a word. It is at my house. Then the space thing. And then when you do your lace, you just fold that up, and then we take the other arm inside out. Oh, I just use a big pin because it's fastest. And if you come in from the side and shove down, that's how that works. And to make this pattern, I just laid the doll down and cut out around it. And then I cut my fabric large because there aren't, you have to turn it inside out. You can't make this real form fitting. And then I sewed, like I said, I did the finish work. Before I sewed these two dresses together, I did all of my ribbon work and lace, or not lace, my finish work. And then I sewed the lace as I went. Now this one, when you put it on the doll, you want to use a snap. Well, you could use Velcro. I mean, it would work too. I just don't like the rough side of Velcro on my dolls, but it could work. Just a snap or Velcro so that it turns, as you can see, both directions. Okay, and here's Vicky in the wizard side of the dress. I just wanted to take a minute and show that to you, and it is something you can easily do at home. I hope you'll come back on Friday to the Dolls Rescue channel. I did a collaboration with J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peace, Love, Craft Dolls with Tammy Polly. And it's a Valentine's Day sewing DIY craft video where we exchanged Valentine's Day outfits for our Blythe dolls. I think you'll really enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe.